Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe.
Today we are going to be teaching y'all how to make honey garlic pork chops. So of course you will need pork chops. We got the family size.
And if you want to half this recipe, keep in mind you can do that if this is too many for your family.
So take a small bowl, pour in a half a teaspoon of salt, then a half a teaspoon of pepper, and then a half a teaspoon of garlic powder.
All right, so just whisk this around because this is what you're going to be seasoning your pork chops in.
So season both sides of your pork chop in this mixture.
I don't think that's gonna be enough. So this time we just gonna measure with love. You know, if you wanna add extra garlic, you can.
Yeah, I know you. Garlic,
oh gosh.
Garlic queen.
Thank you, baby.
Add me some pepper.
Okay. That's fair enough.
A little bit more salt.
I thought I was the salt queen.
You are. So we're going to continue.
Or maybe we just like a lot of seasoning.
Can't never have enough seasoning.
That's right.
Now take a medium mixing bowl and pour in a half a cup of honey.
Honey.
So now you're going to add a half a cup of chicken broth.
So we have never used rice wine vinegar before, but today is the day. And you're gonna need 1/4 cup of this to go into that.
So now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2.
So then you wanna add about 1/2 tablespoon of paprika. All right, so now you want to whisk this mixture together, and then you're gonna set it aside while we brown our pork chops. All right, so we've got the stove on about medium.
So next, you want to add a drizzle of olive oil. It's a little more than a drizzle.
Ooh, that surely was. And then go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of butter and let that melt, and then we can start browning the pork chops.
So now we're going to add the pork chops while the butter is still melting.
We are going to brown both sides. And if you don't have one of these big pans, get you one from Sam's Club because they are the best. Perfect. All right, those look good and brown. Smells so good.
So once both sides are seared, you're gonna put the garlic in.
You're gonna need 4 tablespoons of minced garlic.
So let that cook about 30 to 45 seconds. So now you want to go ahead and add your honey mixture.
And then we are going to turn that on low and just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And go ahead and move your pork chops around, kind of like so, until this mix turns like an amber brown color.
So you need to make sure you're flipping your pork chops over every 5 minutes so you can get all that good
juice
ingredients.
Did you try to finish my sentence? I was saying juice, not juicy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, Papa is waiting on the pork chops. She's looking out there. Oh, is that Daddy?
You gotta say hey.
Everybody wants to see you.
You gotta look at the camera.
Oh, you want to show them your new spot? All right. She's real skeptical about it.
New spot. Yeah.
I like this. Once y'all get some furniture out here, I might chill out here. Okay, you ready to come in? Daddy's girl.
All
right, so now that it's turned about this color, and we think it's almost done. We are going to check. That one's a little mysterious to me. You're then going to turn the heat up to medium and bring it to a fast rolling boil like you see here, and wait on that sauce to thicken. You want to make sure your pork chops are 155 degrees cooked thoroughly. All right, as you can tell, they have started to thicken up and they look so good. Alex is so tall, we're having to like use the Mountain Dew can as a tripod, but taste test.
That was actually mine. That's okay.
Y'all. Alex, wait until you try that. So good, isn't it?
I recommend this recipe. The reason why I would recommend it is because the pork chops are very juicy.
Juicy.
Like, perfect. Like, you don't need no Heinz 57, A1, or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend doing this recipe.
Ditto. Is that how you say it?
Ditto.
So delicious.